I waited patiently for Yahuah, and he inclined unto me, and he heard my cry. He brought me up also out of a horrible pit, out of the miry clay, and set my feet upon a rock, and established my goings. And he has put a new song in my mouth, even praise unto our Elohiym. Many shall see it and fear, and shall trust in Yahuah. Blessed is that man that makes Yahuah his trust, and respects not the proud, nor such as turn aside to lies. Many, O Yahuah Elohai, are your wonderful works, which you have done, and your thoughts which are to usward. They cannot be reckoned up in order unto you. If I would declare and speak of them, they are more than can be numbered. Sacrifice and offering you did not desire, but a body you have prepared me. Ascending smoke offering and sin offering have you not required. Then said I, Lo, I come. In the rolls of the CEPHER it is written of me, I delight to do your will. O Elohai, yea, your Torah is within my heart. I have preached righteousness in the great assembly. Lo, I have not refrained my lips, O Yahuah, you know. I have not hid your righteousness within my heart. I have declared your faithfulness and your salvation. I have not concealed your loving kindness and your truth from the great assembly. Withhold not your tender mercies from me. O Yahuah, let your loving kindness and your truth continually preserve me. For innumerable evils have compassed me about. My iniquities have taken hold upon me, so that I am not able to look up. They are more than the hairs of my head. Therefore my heart fails me. Be pleased, O Yahuah, to deliver me. O Yahuah, make haste to help me. Let them be ashamed and confounded together that seek after my soul to destroy it. Let them be driven backward and put to shame that wish me evil. Let them be desolate for a reward of their shame that say unto me, Aha, aha. Let all those that seek you rejoice and be glad in you. Let such as love your salvation say continually, Yahuah be magnified. But I am poor and needy, yet Adonai thinks upon me. You are my help and my deliverer. Make no tarrying, O Elohai.